Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad waj'al farada majmun. Hazrat Imam Ali alayhi salam said, if you overpower your enemy, then pardon him by the way of thankfulness.